Hi everyone, this is Ms. Kilroy. Today I'm going to show you the next steps for your science fair project. I want you to click on your science homepage on EDU and then go down to resources on the left hand side. I want you to go to science projects and then I want you to click on the Santa Barbara County Science Fair Student Handbook. Click on the PDF and the PDF will pop up. This is all the guidelines that you guys should be following. So we're going to scroll down to our procedure or our method section. Okay, so you guys have already completed your introduction. I gave you lots of feedback on that. Here's what you need to include. Make sure you have identified your question that you are going to test, as well as your purpose. Why is it important? Okay, you need these two pieces of information that it's written out nice and clear so the judges can read it more easily. You also need to include your hypothesis. What's your variable? What's your control? And make a prediction what you think is going to happen. Just make sure you include that in your conclusion section. A lot of people forgot to put that, and I just want to make sure you have it. So we're going to move on to the methods, materials, and procedures section of your report. So this is describing how you're actually going to do your experiment. Now, it is going to be a little difficult thinking about it before you do it, but we need to think of the details. So the methods section is just a general section that contains your materials and your procedure. So your materials is just a bulleted list of all the items you use. So maybe you're looking at how fertilizer affects plant growth. So you would need, or maybe you're looking at organic fertilizer versus chemical fertilizer. So you can say you need organic fertilizer, you need chemical fertilizer, and you need to be very, very specific how much of everything you need, okay? So for example, plants, let's say you need 25 sunflower seeds. When I'm talking about how much, just keep in mind that the more trials, the better. The more accurate your data is and the better results you're going to see. So the more, the better. 2 is not going to be enough, okay? So the more, the better. You're also going to need the procedure. Now the procedure is a numbered list of everything that you do in your experiment. So you guys know the drill for your procedure. Starts with a number, starts with an action verb, and then you're specific. How much are you using? How much fertilizer do you use? How often do you water? How many times do you repeat the experiment to get an accurate amount of data? Okay, so think of all of this stuff. So this whole section is called, let me move this center. All of this section is called, it's called the methods section, and it only contains your materials and procedures, so it's not that hard to type up. The really hard part is thinking about it. How are you going to perform your experiment? So just think of all the details, think if it's practical. If you have any problems, come and see me. But we will be going over this in class Friday, October 18th, and we'll be getting into our cohort groups to see how can we help each other and make our procedures more specific and just help each other out. So on Friday the 18th, you will come with this all typed out and ready to go. If you have any questions, feel free to come see me, and good luck.